Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. A man riding his bicycle covers 150 meters in 25 seconds. What is his speed in km per hour? They are given the distance covered and the time taken. So they are asking the speed. But they are asking in km per hour. Let us write the formula for speed. Let V be the speed, which is equal to distance by time taken. This is equal to 150 by 25 meter per second. This will be equal to 6 times. So the speed is 6 meter per second. Now we have to convert this to kilometer per hour. We know 1 kilometer per hour will be equal to 5 by 18 meter per second. Therefore 1 meter per second will be equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. We can directly substitute this value, or you can convert this to kilometer and hour separately. 6 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. This will be equal to 6 8s are 48, 4, 166, 4, 10. 108 by 5. 2 5s are 10, 8, 1 5 is 5, 3 0, 6. So the answer is 21.6 km per hour. Answer is B. Next question. A car covers 650 kilometers in 12 hours and other 850 kilometers in 18 hours. Find the average speed of the car. The average speed is given by total distance divided by total time. Okay. The total distance is 650 kilometer plus 850 kilometer, and the time taken is 12 plus 18. This is equal to 700 plus 800, 1500 divided by 30. This is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. The answer is B. Next question. A train travels 82.6 km per hour. How many meters will it travel in 15 minutes? They are given the speed of the train in km per hour. They are asking the value in meters per minute. So let us convert that. The speed is given by 82.6 km per hour. We shall convert this to meter per minute. Therefore, 82.6 into 1000 meter divided by 60 minute. We can cancel this. We can divide this. This will be 41.3. When we divide by 2, this will be 3. Okay, we will leave it as such. This is the speed in meter per minute. So they are asking the distance covered in 15 minutes. So we have to multiply this with 15 minutes. So distance D is equal to V into 15 minutes. That is 41.3 into 100 divided by 3 into 15. This will be 5. This will be 5 3s are 15, 1 5 is 5, 6, 4 5s are 20. So this will be 206.5 into 100. This is equal to 20650 meter. The answer is B. Next question. The average speed of a bus is 1/3 of the speed of a train. The train covers 1125 km in 15 hours. How much distance will the bus cover in 36 minutes? Let us have the notation VB for the speed of the bus, which is equal to 1/3 of the speed of the train, that is VT. The train covers 1125 km in 15 hours. So VT is equal to 1125 divided by 15 km per hour. How much distance will the bus cover in 36 minutes? We shall convert this to kilometer per minute. Vt is equal to 1125 by 15 into 1 kilometer divided by 60 minutes. We shall divide by 5. This will be 3. This will be 2, 1, 2, 5. Again we shall divide by 3. This will be 7, 1, 5. So this is equal to 75 by 60 kilometer per minute. We can further divide this by 15. So this will be 5 by 4 kilometer per minute. This is for Vt, that is the speed of the train. So Vb will be equal to, that is the speed of the bus will be equal to 1 by 3 Vt, that is 5 by 4. This is equal to 5 by 12 kilometer per minute. They are asking how much distance will the bus cover in 36 minutes. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time. This is 5 by 12 into time 36. The unit of Vb is kilometer per minute and the time is in minutes. This will be 3. So 5 3s are 15 kilometer. The answer is D. Next question. A trip to a destination is made in the following way. 900 km by train at an average speed of 60 km per hour. 3000 km by plane at an average speed of 500 km per hour. 400 km by boat at an average speed of 25 km per hour. 15 km by taxi at an average speed of 45 km per hour. What is the average speed for the entire journey? Okay. So there are 4 different legs. The first one is by train, that is 900 km. This will be distance and this will be the speed. Speed is 60 km per hour. All are in km per hour unit. The next one is 3000 and this is by 500 km per hour. And the next is 400 km and this is by 25 km per hour. The last one is 15 km at a speed of 45 km per hour. The speed unit is kilometer per hour and the distance unit is kilometer. They are asking the average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance covered divided by total time. Okay. Now we can say that the total time is equal to sum of the time taken in individual journeys. That is, let this be T1, this be T2, T3, T4. So total time will be equal to sum of these values, that is T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. We shall substitute the values. T1 is nothing but distance covered divided by velocity. Distance by velocity. D1 by E1. Similarly for other things. I am not writing one by one. We shall substitute the values and then calculate. D1 is 900 divided by 60 plus 3000 divided by 500 plus 400 divided by 25 plus 15 divided by 45. We shall solve this. This will be 4 into 4, 16. This will be 1 by 3. This will be 1663, 15 and this will be 6. So the total time taken is equal to 15 plus 6 plus 16, that is 37 plus 1 by 3. Okay, this is the total time. They are asking the average speed. Average speed is equal to sum of the total distance divided by total time. We have got the total time as 37 plus 1 by 3 hour. The total distance is sum of the all 4 values, that is 900 plus 3000 plus 400 plus 15 divided by total time, that is 37 plus 1 by 3. Okay, we shall add the values in the numerator. 900 plus 3000 is 3900 plus 400 is 4300, so plus 15 will be 4315 divided by, we can multiply this. 37 into 3 is 7 3s are 21, 2, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. So 111 plus 1, 112 divided by 3, which we can take it to the numerator. Let us multiply this. This will be equal to 5 3s are 15, 1 3 is 3, 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So this is equal to 12945 divided by 12. 12945 divided by 112. We can see the answers here. All are in mixed fraction. So we shall convert this to mixed fraction. We can see from the options that the quotient should be either 115 or 75. So we shall try to multiply 112 by 115 first and then check with 75 also. So we shall do the calculations here. 115 into 112. This will be 5 2s are 10, 1 2 is 2, 3, 1 2 is 2. Similarly, this is 115, 115, 0, 8, this will be 8 again, this is 2, 1 2. So this is close to the quotient value. So we shall subtract 12945 from 12880. 12945 minus 12880. This will be 5. This will be 6. That's all. So this is equal to 115 into 112 plus 65 divided by 112. So this is equal to 115 into 65 by 112. So the answer should be A. Okay, we shall finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.